Welcome back in this video series by Sagar Kadam Sir Engineering Academy that guaranteed you will clear very difficult concept of electrical engineering without any doubt with such variety of concepts. But for that you have to download my app. For that you have to download my app and then only you will become perfect engineer, whose link is given in description of the video. Okay. So in this video what we are going to discuss how transformers are classified. So first classification is single phase and three phase transformer. So we know that transformer works only on AC, not on DC. So in AC also single phase supply is there. There is only one coil. And in three phase supply there is RYB coils. Means transformers are designed to operate either on single phase or three phase. Accordingly they classified as single phase transformer or three phase transformer. Getting here? A transformer are classified to work either on single phase AC supply or on three phase supply. Accordingly they classified as single phase transformer or three phase transformer. Is it clear? Next, step up or step down transformer. So we know that in generating station we raise the voltage. So in generating station, voltage obtained is greater than supply are called as step up transformer. And these transformers where voltage obtained V2 is less than supply, where V1 is more. Understood? So they are called as step down transformer. Okay? In generating station only to increase voltage we use step up transformer, where voltage obtained is greater than supply. And in step down transformer, voltage obtained is less than what? Supply. Understood? Getting your step up and step down transformer. Then third, core type and shell type transformer. It is actually construction of transformer. In transformer there are two windings, primary winding and secondary winding. How we kept all these vertical limbs and how laminations are used. Yes, how many limbs are there. Accordingly core type and shell type transformers are there. And that we are going to discuss in detail. Then power transformer and distributed transformer. Yes, motor have rating 25 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt. Like the transformer rating measured in kVA. Capacity of transformer is measured in kVA. So transformer have rating more than 200 kVA. Transformer having rating more than 200 kVA. They are used in generating station as transmission line, distribution line. Okay, they are used generating stations, receiving station, substation. For stepping up and stepping down, a transmission voltage are called as power transformer. Getting what I am saying? A transformer have rating more than 200 kVA. This transformer rating how much? More than 200 kVA. They are used at generating station, receiving station, substation. Maybe for stepping up or stepping down, transmission voltage are called as power transformer. And distribution transformer are those have rating to less than 200 kVA. Okay, they are rating what? Less than 200 kVA. Yes, they are using distribution line for stepping down distribution voltage. So rating more than 200 kVA are called power transformer, and rating less than 200 kVA are called as distribution transformer. And last classification, self-cooled, air-cooled or self-cooled, air-cooled or oil-cooled transformer. So you know that in transformer there are some losses, core loss and iron loss, copper loss. Due to that losses, heat is produced, and that heat will damage insulating material in transformer, and by which transformer damage. And therefore we have to minimize this heat produced in transformer. We have to keep the temperature transformer within permissible limit. And therefore transformer require proper cooling system. So that cooling may be what? Self-cooled, air-cooled or oil. Maybe self means proper ventilation is there, air flow is there or oil is there. Yes, accordingly transformer classified as self-cooled, air-cooled or oil-cooled transformer. Is it clear what I am saying? Okay. So depending upon cooling medium used, a transformer classified as self-cooled, air-cooled or oil-cooled transformer. So this is the classification of transformer or types of transformer that we are going to deal with. So hope so you understood this discussion on as classification of transformer. But don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. And to become perfect in your, what you need, Sagar Kadam Sir Engineering Academy, whose link is given in our description of this video. Thank you very much again for watching this video.